it's Erica here, back with day 5 of the 31 days of spooky scraps. Today's prompt is stencils, and I have the lovely Daisy Scraps joining me on YouTube and Instagram, so please check her out below. Links are in the info box. I want to head back into a spooky direction, so I'm taking this brand new stencil I got from Michaels, and I'm taking white modeling paste for the clouds and Vicki Boutin silver glaze for the stars, and I love how it's looking so far. I think I'm going to repeat a few more clouds and sparkles underneath, and because I'm using two colors at the same time and I really don't want to mess it up, I am using a bit of washi tape to secure the stencil. What I found to be most helpful in successfully stenciling this image is to use the very tip of my spatula for the modeling paste, and then for the silver glaze I actually used the gunky edges, you know, the part where you kind of scrape off your spatula and it kind of dries up use after use. That was actually really perfect because it was a little bit thicker and therefore a little bit tackier, and because of this, it actually stuck to the areas I was stenciling and wouldn't blend in with the modeling paste. So that was a huge lifesaver for me. So moving on to my title, I saw a quote last year that was kind of cute and I sort of resonated with. It's, "You say witch like it's a bad thing." I've always felt a little witchy myself, so I'm using this. I can't remember the brand, but I've definitely found it in the $2.50 bin at Joann's, and I'm telling you, you find really good bargains in there sometimes. So after stamping the title out, I went in with new Carrie Bradford stamp set that I got. They are just a bunch of ink blots, but they're beautiful, so I definitely recommend checking that out. So I think I'm going to layer my page like this and just align my title, but I feel like the left side of the page takes too steep of a drop off from the right hand of the page, so I'm going to find some cute little things I can fussy blade out to help soften or kind of be a buffer to that drop off. By the way, this owl that I fussy bladed out is by far the most precarious experience I've ever had, because these branches are probably the thinnest I have ever cut successfully, so I'm very glad it turned out like it did. Oh, you guys, this flare from Shadnee's shop. Shadnee is my very talented friend who has her own embellishment shop on Etsy. You should definitely check her out because not only are her things cute, they are relevant, which I find very commendable, and just you want to have it on your page because you know you see the same things over and over, love, family, memories, and those are great, but you also might enjoy things that are a little bit more relevant, that are a little bit tongue-in-cheek, and you know, quotes that you might have heard here and there this year or last year. So I definitely recommend checking her out. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you join us for the rest of the month, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.